We always say that Krima is fully customizable. But is that really true? Come with us behind the scenes of our latest customization. This is a Krima Nova .02, designed and manufactured by Lorapack. The machine is built in stainless steel and equipped with a low reel configuration. It was developed for a customer working in the dairy industry. Lorapack's core business is bakery packaging, but the flexibility of the Krima platform allows it to adapt to other food products when required. So why these specific configurations? First, stainless steel. In food production environments where humidity, cleaning operations, and liquids are common, stainless steel ensures durability and hygienic operation. For this reason, it is widely used in food packaging applications. The second feature is the low reel configuration. This setup is particularly useful when packaging irregular products, such as blocks of cheese that may be uneven or slightly sticky. With the reel positioned at the bottom, the product is placed directly onto the film, allowing it to settle naturally inside the film tube before sealing. This improves product stability during wrapping and helps prevent irregular pieces from interfering with the sealing phase. The customer approached Lorapack with a specific challenge. They needed a machine capable of packaging two very different products. First, blocks of cheese, packaged in low-density polyethylene film, a material they had already tested extensively and proven to work perfectly with their cheese over time, both during storage and maturation. Second, grated cheese, packaged in barrier film for MAP or modified atmosphere packaging. Two products, two materials, two completely different packaging requirements. Low-density polyethylene and barrier films behave very differently during sealing. Both can be processed on Krima machines, but not with the same sealing configuration at the same time. For this reason, our initial proposal included two separate machines. One Krima Nova .02 with low reel and smooth loading belt for packaging cheese blocks, and another Krima Nova .02 equipped with a vertical dosing system for grated cheese. Technically, it was the most straightforward solution, but for the customer, it wasn't viable. Purchasing two machines simply wasn't an option, so the customer asked us a key question. Could both products be packaged using a single Krima machine? If the challenge had only involved different product formats, this would have been easy. Krima machines are designed precisely for this kind of flexibility. The real obstacle was the packaging materials. A sealing setup optimized for barrier film does not easily work with low-density polyethylene and vice versa. So, to make this project possible, we needed to rethink the approach. This is where Lorapack's experience in packaging applications made the difference. Instead of forcing two completely different packaging systems, we explored another path, changing the film material. We proposed high-density polyethylene. This material is similar to the film already used for the cheese blocks, but it offers an important advantage. It allows the sealing system to be adapted to handle both packaging requirements. In other words, instead of building two machines, we could design one machine capable of packaging both products. But first, the idea had to be tested. The customer verified the availability of this film with their packaging suppliers, while we carried out packaging trials on our side. Once the tests confirmed that the material worked both for the packaging process and for the cheese itself, we moved forward with the final machine. The result was a Krima Nova .02 stainless steel machine with low reel configuration and smooth loading belt. One machine, two products, one carefully engineered solution. Once the machine was completed, we carried out the usual testing and training at Lorapack. But the customer requested something more. They wanted the final verification to take place directly at their facility. So our technician traveled to Austria to run the machine on site and ensure everything worked perfectly within their production environment. In the end, the result is simple. One CRIMA machine, two very different products, and a packaging solution built exactly around the customer's needs.